Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things AI and tech. Whether you're building the next groundbreaking app, experimenting with machine learning models, or just curious about what AI can do, you're in the right place. And today, I've got something really exciting for you. I'm kicking off a brand new series where I take your AI-related problems and turn them into solutions. That's right. Whether you're struggling with how to optimize a neural network, figure out what AI tools to use for your business, or maybe you're curious about how AI can solve real-world problems like weather prediction, I've got you covered. But I need you to make this happen. Drop your AI questions in the comments. So, here's how it works. In the comments below, tell me what AI-related challenges you're facing right now. Are you trying to figure out the best way to train your AI model? Not sure how to use GPT for your startup idea? Or maybe you want to know how AI can help in game development or content creation. Whatever it is, drop your questions below and I'll feature them in upcoming videos with tailored solutions. I want to make this series all about you, the creators, the developers, and the innovators. But before we dive into your questions in future videos, let's talk about some common AI problems people run into all the time and how to tackle them. I'm sure some of you have faced these issues before. Problem number 1. Overfitting. This happens when your model learns the training data too well, to the point where it performs poorly on unseen data. Think of it like memorizing all the answers for a test instead of really understanding the material. The fix? Try techniques like cross-validation, regularization, or even simplifying your model architecture. Next up, lack of training data. If you're working on a project and you're struggling to find enough data to train your AI model, don't worry. This is a super common problem. You can either look for ways to augment your dataset by generating synthetic data, or try transfer learning, where you take a pre-trained model and fine-tune it for your specific task. It saves you time, and it's a game changer. Another common problem, model interpretability. AI models, especially deep learning ones, can sometimes feel like black boxes. How do you know why your model is making the decisions it's making? One solution is using tools like SHAP, Shapley Additive Explanations, or LIME, Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations, which help you understand the inner workings of your model and make it more transparent. Alright, so those are just a few examples of common AI problems, but now it's your turn. What are you working on? What's been giving you headaches in your AI journey? Leave a comment below with your AI-related issue, and I'll pick a few to solve in upcoming videos. Don't be shy. This is a learning community, and we're all in this together. And hey, if you're excited about this series, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the problem-solving action. We're going to dive deep into everything from machine learning to AI tools for your business, and I can't wait to see where your questions take us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll crack open some real-world AI problems together. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep pushing the limits of what AI can do. Peace.